Hello everyone, today I will show a beginner-friendly guide on how to use Tradovate app in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. Let's get started with the video. First, download the Tradovate app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and install it on your mobile device. Once the app is installed, log in using your Tradovate account credentials to access your trading dashboard. Take a moment to explore the interface. Navigate through key features like interactive charts, super DOM, order entry tools, and real-time notifications. When you're ready to trade, use the order entry tools to set up your trades. Choose your order type, enter the quantity and price, and customize any additional parameters. Monitor your open positions closely. You can adjust orders on the go, track performance, and get alerts for key market events to stay informed. Lastly, dive into market data, access the latest news, expert insights, and analytics to make more informed trading decisions. And that's it.